When it comes to prices, a lot of companies have started using Tesla's charging standard. Who's the most recent now? Okigo, however, Fisker will be joining the Tesla supercharger party in 2025. They will only be able to use an adapter until then, but sometime after that, Mr. says they'll build that Max port, that Tesla port, right into their cars. I asked Mr. why 2024 wasn't an option like the other Tesla partners, and they haven't replied yet, but I think that's really interesting. Maybe it's a cost or a strategic decision, but it's still great news for EV owners earlier this month if it's going to have that product. A Vision Kiko, you were there, you talked to Henrik Pittsburgh, and you saw the new crossovers, the Alaska pickup, and the Ronin supercar. I have to ask you, Kiko, what you thought of the Ronin and the Alaska pickup. The Ronin range is what caught my eye. $385,000 price tag and a range of more than 600 miles. Did I hear that right? Yeah, I guess we'll see if that comes true. The stock market can sometimes feel like a roller coaster, and even Tesla, a true market disruptor, can't avoid these changes. However, experienced buyers know that market dips can be great times to buy. To put it simply, chances to make money often come up when other people are scared. Tesla stock has been trading at a rather low price lately, and some investors are worried that they won't be able to make as much money from their Tesla investments. However, this drop is only temporary, and the price will soon rise again. In today's video, we'll talk about why the recent drop in Tesla stock price could actually be a golden opportunity for smart Tesla investors like you, and why you should buy more Tesla shares instead of selling them. So buckle up and let's take a look at the fascinating world of Tesla stock. Journey versus the Chinese. Volkswagen is coming in fast because they have the biggest solar cars in the world, 2022. They have deep pockets and they make their cars locally. Those are the big three. Everyone else is trying to catch up, so it should be a fun battle. What's so interesting to me is that Tesla has been a leader in the UK for a long time. They were the first company to connect every vehicle, and they've since led the world in bringing battery production in-house and increasing the robotization of manufacturing. But most importantly, they've taken the lead in taking the lion's share of and optimizing for over-the-air software. That's why the other news story this morning, yes, Ford bought Apple's software, had to help them figure out their software pricing. The visionary made the Tesla LED. Elon Musk has changed not only the alternative energy industry, but also the whole energy and technology industries. His groundbreaking goods, such as the Model 3 and Model Y, have caught the attention of people all over the world. Things like macroeconomic news, geopolitical tensions, and general marketing mood can have a big effect on the market. Trends can all lead to temporary drops in a stock's value, but there should not be an issue for a seasoned investor, and here's why. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla. Tomorrow Tesla's vision extends far beyond just making an electric car and leaving it at that. Its FSD tech aims to revolutionize transportation, make it safer, more efficient, and ultimately autonomous. Successful investors often take a long-term perspective, and Tesla's past performance and its ambitious plans for the future make it an intriguing prospect for those willing to ride out the short-term fluctuations. Let's now discuss why this dip could be a golden opportunity for investors who believe in Tesla's long-term potential. But before we do, if you like this type of content, don't forget to leave that like button and subscribe to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. And now let's take a look at what the market analysts are saying about Tesla's recent dip and its potential impact on the stock's future. Some analysts argue that the recent dip is a temporary setback and that Tesla's growth story remains intact. They also see this as an opportunity to buy into a company with unparalleled innovation and global market potential. And we totally agree with them as more countries around the world look for greener options. Tesla's lead in the EV market is only going to grow. Tesla is in a great position to get an even bigger share of the market. The automaker's constant innovation sets it apart, and its dedication to FSD tech and constantly improving product line make it a major player in both the automotive and tech industries. Now that we know why this drop is a chance, let's talk about some ways to take advantage of it. The first thing that will be time to market. Timing the market can be hard, even for experts, so it's better to try to guess short-term changes. Focus on the long-term growth story of Tesla. Legendary investor Warren Buffett advises buying great companies and then holding on to them for the long term. This approach aligns perfectly with Tesla's innovation and growth-oriented business model. You could also try dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount in Tesla at regular intervals. This strategy can help reduce the amount of impact of market volatility and potentially lower your average cost per share. You see, Tesla will continue to stand out for a ton of reasons, including its car's FSD autonomy and even superchargers. The news of Tesla's supercharger has become common knowledge to most Tesla enthusiasts and pretty much anyone who keeps up with happenings about the EV company, as most people already know Tesla has the best superchargers globally, with no one else coming close. In 2012, Tesla unveiled its supercharger network in the US with the aim of allowing its Model S to travel long distances with ultra-fast charging throughout California, parts of Nevada, and Arizona. Till date, Tesla has more than 35,000 superchargers in different countries across the world. Since Tesla's superchargers generate electricity from solar energy, this results in almost net zero marginal energy cost after installation, which means that Tesla car users don't have to spend too much to get their vehicles going and charged. Until recently, it was believed that these superchargers were mainly for Tesla EVs, but following Tesla's recent deals with other EV makers, there may be a reason to think otherwise. The automaker recently sealed up a supercharging deal with Fisker. By allowing more users onto the network, Tesla will build a larger network for its business and likewise generate more revenue. Since these services will be paid, it will be a lucrative way to rake in revenue for the company. Tesla's stock success shows a lot about its finances, so we can expect Tesla shareholders to get a better return on their investment with more money coming in. Tesla can add more places to charge their cars quickly. With its glowing reputation around the world, it's clear that the EV company is always looking for ways to make more money. If Tesla ever lets non-Tesla EV owners use his charging stations, there's a good chance that these users will buy more Tesla products and even cars. The Tesla superchargers have cool features that can keep people interested in the EV company. Tesla superchargers are easy to use. Users can just plug them in and let them charge automatically. They can also check to see which superchargers are available and check their charge status through the Tesla app. Additionally, Tesla has a big advantage over other EV companies when it comes to customer service. A new J.D. Power study says that the Tesla supercharger network is the best in terms of customer satisfaction, which isn't a surprise when you look at the cool customer service features that the automaker has made available to its supercharger users. So before you decide what to do with your shares, keep in mind that the recent drop in Tesla's stock could be your chance to join the ranks of smart investors. If you're interested in investing in a company, you need to be patient, do your research, and believe in its long-term potential. What do you think? Let us know below, and if you're excited about Tesla's future, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date on the latest news. If you want to see what the company has been up to lately, click on this next video on your screen. See you there.